Hey everyone, it's Deb. Okay, this is the 1500 subscriber giveaway. This is my video in edit mode because over here is the video URL. So we'll just copy that and I'm going to put it in YouTube random comment picker. I already did, but I'll do it again. And then we're going to hit this. I did say Monday after 5 sometime, and it is 6:32 here on the East Coast. So it says, I have 49 unique commenters. Now I want to show you that I actually printed out the commenters. I got 48 unique commenters, but one of them didn't answer the questions. They just said congratulations. So if they come up, I'll have to disqualify them, and whoever else comes up when I hit start, I will go to this YouTube link and look up their channel and see if they liked this video and are a public subscriber. Now, somebody made a comment they were not going to change their subscriptions to public just for the giveaway. And I said if their name was drawn and they could prove to me that they were in fact subscribed, because that's kind of the whole point here, you have to be a subscriber, then they could win the prize. So what I may do, if I cannot find subscriptions on a channel, I will give that person 24 hours to get back to me with evidence, screenshots and such, that they are in fact subscribed and liked the video. Otherwise, we'll redraw probably on Wednesday, actually, or maybe Tuesday night. Yeah, probably about the same time Tuesday night, unless something comes up with my mother tomorrow. So anyway, let's do this. So we have 49 unique commenters. So we go down here to start raffle and pick random winner. So I'm going to hit start. Can you guys see this? Yes. And the winner is tentatively Perfectly Imperfect Crafts. She said, "Congratulations, Deb. What I like about your channel is how detailed you are, and what I would like to see is more projects from Craft Your Stash. By the way, I love that you like birds, butterflies, and flowers like me. Hugs, Cat." Congratulations, Cat. Now we're going to do, to be fair, we're going to go over here. We're going to do perfectly. Okay, see, I've got her on my lookup list here. And here she is. And to usually liked videos shows up here, but sometimes it's in playlists. Yeah, liked videos.
Hello everyone. Hello.
Oh, I did that. Okay, I see why. Sorry about that. So hers is in a playlist here. Oh gosh, this is going to be a couple weeks ago. Let's look for my video. It's pink, which is why I do that sometimes. I might have gone back too far. I don't know if I've gone back too far or not far enough. Yard sale finds August 4th. That's too far back. I'll slow it down and go this way. I am not seeing it. Cat, did you not like my video? Let me try it again. There's a few announcements that she liked. Yeah, this is back too far. Okay, well, let's go to her channel and make sure she's a subscriber. And this one I know because I just looked for my Dahlia. It may be down a little ways. Pink Dahlia. And the reason I'm doing it this way is because my subscription list on my channel has not been updated for over a month. So it's really highly possible, that's not it, that there's something wrong with YouTube. I mean, it could even be wrong here, I don't know, but I found that most of the times when people are public, their subscription list shows up here. And maybe she subscribed to me a long time ago. Oh wait, we already saw that. See, this is another problem. That is my mouse though. Totally messing up. Alright, there's Tina's Crafty Life. Let's see if we can go further down. Oh, come on. Really? There I am, right here. So she definitely is subscribed to me. So I'm a little concerned that she didn't like the video. So let's check it again. This is the view 950. It was updated yesterday. Liked videos. Now I don't want to play them. So it comes up. I guess it starts playing at the first one. And it may be that this just went too fast. That's pink, but that's not mine. Let's see, what was my video number? Let me go back over here. 827 is what we're looking for, and that was 819, so it would have been after that most likely. I don't see that she liked the video. Oh, cat. However, you know, that said, someone else texted me and said they emailed me and did a screenshot and said, I've liked this two or three times, but it will not show up in my liked video list. So I think I'm going to give Kat the chance, sorry guys, to come back and like my video or show me that she has. And I'll give her till tomorrow to do that, and if she doesn't, then, or can't show me that, then I will go to the next person. And I'm just trying to be fair. I know I said they'd be disqualified, but there's so many issues right now with YouTube, I just can't do that in fairness. So right now, I'm going to assume that Kat won if she can prove to me she liked the video via email, screenshot, or something. Alright, so that's it for now, and if that doesn't work out, then I will be back tomorrow evening, hopefully, with another draw, or I'll at least come back and confirm that Kat did in fact win the giveaway. Also, I do not yet have the embellishment box put together, and I need until next Sunday night, so Monday, to mail it. So it's not going to go out this week in any event. Alright guys, alright everyone, have a great evening. Hugs, love, and peace.